Good morning everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy, and we still have this 2017 Toyota Rav4. So we will be replacing the coolant for this car, only drain in fill, okay, because what happened is that I think the owner, he told me he put the windshield washer on the coolant. He thought they are both the same. So I don't know what happened, but anyway, we're just gonna drain the coolant and then replace it with the new coolant. Actually, this is already mixed coolant and windshield washer fluid. So over here below, where's the drain plug? Probably we're just gonna remove a couple of fastener and bolt, and then it will show where the drain plug for the coolant, or the drain plug from the radiator. Okay, let's remove a couple of bolts. Just a couple of bolts and then fastener. Alright, there's this one. Remove it. Over there. Alright, guess everything is removed. Now we can remove this plastic cover. Alright. Where's that? Hold on. Alright, so actually I found the coolant drain plug over here. I don't know if you could see right there. I think you don't need to remove the cover, but anyway, we already removed it. But anyway, somewhere, I don't know if you could see that, somewhere over here. Oh, it's hard to show it to you. Maybe it's on the top. Hold on. Okay, it's behind. See that yellow right there? See it? Right there, that yellow thing. That's the coolant drain plug. So we're just gonna unplug that or loosen it. So it's really tough to show it here. Oh no, I need space. Hold on. So you can do it in here. You can loosen it. Right there. Oopsie. Go. Let's open this so it would be easier to to drain. And let's open it fully. Alright, so let it rain for a few minutes. Alright, so let's put back the drain plug. You don't need to like drain everything. It's only like a few droplets. That's good. Okay, perfect. Alright, now let's put the new coolant. I'll be use this piston. Okay. Alright, it's coolant. Let's start the car and let's let it running for a few minutes to bleed, you know, the coolant. Alright, start it. See if there's a leak. No leak at all. Perfect. Okay, let's leave it for a few minutes. Alright, so I guess that's it. It's been running for like more than 5 minutes now. Well, still there. No leak. Alright, so there you go. That's how you replace. It's just a drain infill for coolant for 2017 Toyota Rav4. So if you had any question in this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.